Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free newsletter. You are speaking with Ha from the Trade with Precision trading team. Today I'm going to look at the crude oil chart. As you can hear or see from the financial website, the non-OPEC countries get a cut of the output of the crude oil, and that result a clear surge of the crude oil price. So what does that mean on the chart? So this is the crude oil monthly chart. You can see with the surge and actually make the chart change into an uptrend on the longer term time frame monthly chart. So price has made higher high, price has made higher low. So this is a confirmed uptrend. So this is very significant actually. And with a trend in place, which means the price has a much higher probability to continue to move to a higher ground. So based on the monthly chart, the next potential resistance level for the crude oil is somewhere around the $60 mark, which is around here. So now its price is trading at 52, so some $8 potential window to the upside. That is very, very good. So why I like the chart right now for potential trade setup is because of the weekly chart. And this surge has actually cleared a really strong resistance level on the weekly chart. This is a resistance, then a clean break. So this is a really significant event because when consolidation has been broken out, then this means a release of power of the consolidation that may carry the price to a much higher ground. So as we can see, the $60 mark is here. So this is quite a big potential profit window to the upside. Then on the daily chart, yesterday we have a gap up. Actually, the price have a gap up. Then now start to pull back. Actually has pulled back already. Then the coming 1 or 2 days is going to be key for the crude oil. This is the old resistance level, somewhere around $52 mark. So if the price continue to pull back towards $52, and if it holds strongly above that, then that may be a good sign for the price to start to turn around to move up to the high ground. So that's why I'm looking, stalking closely on the $52 to see if the price can hold on above it. So the key time frame I'm looking for a potential entry for crude oil will be on the 4-hour chart. So this is a 4-hour chart, the old $52 somewhere around here. So on the 4-hour chart, what we see here is the price has already pulled back into the 4-hour chart moving average buy zone, which is the area between 10 and 20 period moving average. And $52, if we can confirm support with a small bullish candle, that tells me the price is more likely to turn up from here. And also if I draw Fibonacci retracement line on the 4-hour chart, this is also at a 50% pullback of this upward swing. So there are lots of technical factors pointing the price will get a strong bounce off it. So just waiting for a confirmation candle, then there may be a setup to the long side for me. So that's why crude oil is under my very close watch list for the coming, actually today or tomorrow. Maybe the price may sets me up for a potential long trade setup. This is the first one, crude oil. Then heating oil is behaving quite similar to crude oil, and similar information. Actually, I believe heating oil is performing a little bit stronger than the crude oil. The main reason is this resistance line actually has been cleared 3 weeks ago. So this looks a little bit stronger compared to the crude oil. So the logic behind it is the same because price has broken up, then waiting for a pullback. The price has pulled back to some sort of localized support level here, which is around 1.66, then which translates to 4-hour chart as the old support resistance line, so which is somewhere around here, 1.66. So this is an old resistance. Now if the price is can confirm it becomes a strong support, then with a small bullish candle inside the moving average buy zone on the 4-hour chart. So this will look very similar to the crude oil for a potential long trade setup. So that's why this is another product actually oil product that is under my close watch list for the coming 1 or 2 days. Yeah, hope that helps everyone, and have a great trading week.